I gotta say really loud and stuff.
Do your thing, man.
Alright. So I guess go whenever?
Go whenever.
Alright, cool. Alright. Yo, it's your boy.
On my way to a Can Jam tournament, about to play, and yo, your boy's a beast at Can Jam, so I don't plan to lose. Like, I plan to be first place, and I'm not even playing.
Yeah, there's 10 teams, so there's just a group of 5 and a group of 5. If everybody kind of plays, each team should be able to play about 4 games. So just come up here if you win. Like, Bear will play Fanatic, and then Wawa will play KJ. And basically, if you play each other team on your half of the board, then everybody will have played 4 games. And just come up here and mark off if you win. You know, keep a tally. Then we'll take the top 8 teams that have the most points and.
So you're really just supposed to go down the list and play?
Yeah, you'll play on your side.
Yeah.
Our first game, about to get a win. All right, we're gonna win this, right?
Oh wow, are you playing against us?
I think we are.
Yeah, I think you guys will get the win.
Yeah, they warmed up pretty good though. You guys warmed up. You got a little better. All right, guys, we just played the first game. We won, but just about barely, so we got to get better. Having fun, it's a good time. Yeah, so 1 game under the belt. Keep going, keep getting better. 1 dub. Let's get it. 2 victories so far. Let's get it. Check this dude out, man.
Nah.
Friday, man. SoundCloud. Follow him. Yo, I have his link down in the description.
I'm just nervous that I'm going to hit the camera.
I want you to hit
like
it.
the one time where I throw solid and I get it in.
I'm pretty fast, Andy.
See? Watch your camera!
4-0.
4-0. Top seed. About to go into the playoffs, play the number 2 seed on the other side. So it's going to be some competition. Should be fun. Should be all right. Got the MVP right here.
What's up?
The MVP. So,
No competition here.
yeah, I mean, we got a little bit. I mean, we almost, we had to turn up. But for the most part, we kind of busting through.
Well, just so you know, this group right here in the States.
He's about to lose.
That's what they say. That's what they say. So we'll see. It's time for the Super Bowl. It's time for it. It's time. It's time. This is all the cookies right here. All the cookies and cakes.
All right, 6-3.
3-6. We took an L, but that dude Tyler, he been. This dude. Nah, no
We got cheated.
I mean.
Some players got moved around at the end.
Yeah, we were shuffling. They put together an all-star team. But you know what?
That's like.
What is that like?
The best I can describe it. Best I can describe it.
All right, let's go.
It's like. Let me see. It's like the Bulls not making. All right, 96 Bulls not making the playoffs. and then someone picks up Jordan off of free agency before their last game. That's how I felt like. So we have the winners here, team mashup. So how's it feel winning today?
It feels like I'm gonna eat tonight.
Feel that? Huh?
Yeah, same here.
So records show that you guys didn't really originally start with the same people. You guys, how'd that work out?
Well, see, what happened was he was originally on a team
Rumor
with...
has it you just shove your girl somewhere and you just let your person. Is that true?
No comment.
Yeah, no
comment. You know why I'm here.
You know why I'm here.
Where's it?
All right, we just got done with Camp Jam. It was fun. It's great. This is a great day to be outside, be with some friends. Now, a little group of us, we're going to go down to Cape May, for no reason at all, just to hang out, just talk more. So, yeah, it should be fun. Looking forward to it. I got to make sure I get back in time for work. So, as long as we can do that, I'm down to go. Let's get it. I don't really know what we're doing, so...
I don't really either.
Okay.
Who, me?
We're going to see trains.
We're going to see old trains that Ricky has an idea of where they are. And I have a general idea, but really not.
Okay.
So it's going to be interesting.
All right, so we made it to our first, I guess it's not, you said it's still active, right?
I'm pretty sure these still run, yeah.
Okay, but first train, pretty cool. Let's check it out. Dude just saw us. Say he's gonna call a popo. He's gonna call squally on us, but so all right, we have no problem. We got our picture, we had fun. Now we head now. Alright, so we finally got to Cape May in the second location. Ricky wants us to run so we can not miss the sunset. So, I don't know about that. How far we gotta run? What do you know?
I don't even know.
Ah. Alright, so there's no trains. Will, can you explain yourself?
I was lied to.
Uh-huh.
It's not my fault.
It's all good. Yo, we came out here. It's nice shots. It's just so buggy right now.
Yeah.
Is that water right there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's why.
This is like the marsh.
Cause we're like right there. But yo, check out the shot behind me. I hope it looks good. I gotta stay here for at least like a minute.
A minute? The sun's gonna go down in a minute.
You're gonna get a better shot out there. It's gonna be steady ocean.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm telling you. It's gonna be a beautiful shot.
So, redemption shot. We won, but they got one last shot to win, unless we're going to the Super Bowl. So here it is.
It was close.
It wasn't close.
That was close. That was close. That was a great game, guys.
Good game.
Great game.
That was funny.
Yo,
Last
yo, you could not get that 1 point.